Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. The appeal hearing for Adidja Palmer, Vybz Kartel, is scheduled to start on February 19, 2018. The date was set yesterday between lawyers representing the defense and the prosecution. Last month, a judge granted Palmer's legal team the green light to proceed after reviewing documents submitted by his legal team. Palmer, Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John were all convicted of the murder of Clive Lizard Williams in March of 2014. All four men are appealing their conviction, citing numerous issues with the previous trial, including witness intimidation and evidence tampering by law enforcement officials. Rise of a New King is the name of the latest mixtape from popular dancehall artist Bay C. The 14-track compilation will feature newly released singles set to hit the airwaves this summer, along with songs from his recent Better Must Come EP. The Rise of a New King mixtape is a fusion production with 70% dancehall and 30% roots reggae energy, and is now available on SoundCloud. Bay C is also preparing for his summer European tour. Kabaka Pyramid is all set to promote his music in North America and Europe. The artist will embark on his Contraband tour starting next month and takes the name from his upcoming album. Paris, Bristol, London, Manchester, the Netherlands and Germany are just some of the stops the artist will make while on tour. He returns to Jamaica to take the Sumfest stage on July 22. Her Story is the title of the new EP from New York rapper Young M.A. The EP was released on Apple Music and is already receiving positive feedback. The EP features 6 new tracks, with Ooh appearing as the bonus track, making it a total of 7. Young M.A. is expected to release her debut album later this year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Blessings.